In this video we will understand the map feature of Octanet, Network Map. Once you click here, your network map will be loaded on the screen. The first menu available is Add Device. Inactive ONUs. On selecting this option, all the inactive ONUs in your network will be highlighted. On clicking on one of these inactive ONUs, the map will zoom into the ONU and bring it to the center of the screen. Staff location. With the help of the Octanet map, you can track the location of your engineer. Click on staff location, then on the name of the engineer, and that map will automatically track the location and put it in the center of your screen. Next is the search box. If you want to search any of your network locations by name, then you can do so here. On clicking on this, all the networks in your location will be available as shown. Based on what you type in the search box, the suggestion list will be sorted. Clicking on any of these locations on the map will automatically zoom into that location and show it in the center of the screen. The three dots in the corner hold all the core information of the cables. This network uses multiple cables. If we want to identify any of the cables, we can identify them by color-coding them. If you want to add a device, then right-click on the desired location. Click on Add Device. Specify the name, and select the device you wish to add. Save all the information by clicking Save. You will get a notification saying device added successfully, and you will also see the device added on your map. Adding another device. Right-clicking on the location, click on Add Device. Specifying the name, and in the device I will click on four-way box and will save the device. Creating a connection. Click on the device you want to make a connection with. Click on Edit. To add the connection, click on the plus icon. Then select the item you wish to use, like a fiber cable. Now to select the device location. Search for the name of the location you want to connect to and select it. Select the fiber type, example, 12-core fiber cable. The distance between these two locations will be calculated automatically here. The loop distance will also be calculated. Here it is 0. Wire mode. If your connection is aerial, then select aerial. If it is underground, then select underground. Wire code and description are optional. After all this is complete, you can directly save the information. Now, as you can see, both devices are connected successfully. If you hover your mouse over the cable connection, its details will be shown to you on screen. Let's create a cable connection with this device by using the second method to do so. Right-click on the device, click on Add Fiber, and then select the device with which we want to connect it. I will connect it to the device school. This device has two connections, as you can see. The first connection we created was with the BSNL office, and now the second connection will be to the nursery. Here in the fiber type, I will select the 6-core fiber cable, and the distance between the two will be calculated automatically as shown below. After saving, you will see the connection has been created. Let's suppose you want to edit this cable path. Then take the mouse to the cable and click on the Edit button as shown. As you can see, the cable path is opened in edit mode. The distance between both locations is calculated automatically and shown here. To edit the path, you will find a circular dot in the center of the path. Hold and drag to edit the path. Once edited, the distance is automatically calculated and shown in the same spot. After editing, confirm the changes, and you will see the edited path on the map. Suppose you want to add a cut box. Take your mouse over the path you want to add the cut box and select the cut icon. Specify the location name, add in your device, and save your changes. As you can see, the cut box has been added. To create a core connection, open the location as shown. After opening, click on Edit and then click on this gear icon. To create a connection, click on the device and then click on the device you want to connect it to, as shown here. So we connect 12-core fiber cables, blue, with 6-core fiber cables, orange. The cables automatically changed their status to join as soon as the connection was made. After that, click on Confirm and then Save to establish the connection. In case you want to relocate any device, right-click on the device, click on Move Device, and you can move the pointer of the device as shown. Drag the device where you want to relocate it and click on Yes. As you can see, it has automatically been relocated. The cable path will follow the previous path. If you want to change the path, click on Edit, and you can edit the path as shown below. To add a loop cable in any location, click on the white dot below the location, and you can type the length of the loop cable. If I type out 20 here, the total distance that has been changed from 144 to 164. In the same way, loop cables can be added anywhere on the path. Like 10 more meters here. After these changes, click on Confirm and the changes will be added to the map. If you hover your mouse there, you will see that it shows 144 plus 30, 144 being the actual distance and the extra 30 for the loop cables. If you want to see the action log of any device, open the device and click on the Action Log View button. All the actions performed on that device will be shown to you here. It will show you the timestamp along with the stage member that performed the action, the details of the actions performed, and the changes that were made. In case any fiber in your network breaks, the networks after that will be highlighted as red, and the fiber that was broken will show a fiber break pop-up. If you want to perform an action for any user, by right-clicking on the user, you can perform any action such as move device, distance, create ticket, create task, add fiber, or send a WhatsApp message. If you want to access any user's fiber report, click once on the user and click on ONU Power Report, and you will have access to 1 month of the user's power history. In the next version of Octanet, ACS server facilities will be provided, by which you can manage your customer's device from your office. If you want to check the core connection of any location, zoom in on the location and click on it. Click on the View button, and the core connection will be displayed. You can change the core connection and check them all from here. If you want to check the laser path of any core connection, click on Edit, click on the core connection setting. Right-click on the core, and click on Laser Path. The map will be loaded. After that, if you want to check the core connection of any device, then click on any device and the details will be shown. If any core connection is faulty, you can change its status to faulty as shown, and the error icon will be displayed. You can confirm to save. All the Octanet features that are available on Octanet's websites are also available on the Octanet app. On clicking the upper left 3 lines, all the menus will be accessible. By clicking Map, you can see the network map. You can zoom in and click on any device to see all the details as well as all the action log.